Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel. So I've gone in, I've done one of my eyebrows, how I would do it, just like that. So you guys have seen tutorials on me doing my brows in the past. I've basically gone in with 3 different products to create my brow. And I've gone in with obviously the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color medium brown. And I've also gone in with this one right here, which is the Fenty Brow MVP in also medium brown. And for a little bit of definition, I went in with this one right here, and this one is the light brown from Benefit, and this is Brow Microfilling Pen. And this is how I do my brows. Obviously, you know, she's looking good, she's looking snatched. My brows are very light in general. I have had brow microblading done in the past and it's quite faded these days, so I have to go in and take a little extra care of my brows. I have these stubborn hairs, you guys can see that they just stay up. So I'm looking forward to this Anastasia Beverly Hills product right here. I've been waiting for this guy to come out because I love the line so much. So I'm actually going to test this out on one brow that has, you know, brows totally done and looking snatched, and the other brow which is totally natural. So you guys have an idea of how this product looks both ways. Let's unbox this and test this out. So this is the product right here. This is really cute. It's like not glass, it's plastic. Yeah, it's definitely plastic. The lid is this beautiful kind of gold, rose gold tone. Loving it. Oh, I actually thought it was going to be more like a wax, but this is actually more like a jelly. Oh, it's really tacky. But this is very interesting. It's not exactly what I was expecting from the Sephora images, but okay, let's do it. So I have 2 products here. I might not use this one because I actually never use this one, but if you have this at home and you want to use this little guy right here to do your brows, all the power to you. I don't use it, but I am going to go in with this little spoolie right here. I'm just going to pick up some product. I've never used this before, so I have no idea how this is going to work out. Perhaps that's way too much. Okay. I did not watch a tutorial on this, so we are doing this together. First off, I'm actually going to take the little bit of product I have on my spoolie right here, and I'm going to go in and brush out the hairs on the brow that has no product on whatsoever. So let's start by doing a natural brow. Okay, I can feel it combing through. It is kind of not like a wax, it's more of a honey, kind of like a thick honey, like a dried down honey kind of formula, if that makes sense. I'm just combing them up for right now. I just kind of wanted to see what this gel would do, and it holds them up there 100%. That's crazy. Kind of living for it. I'm just gonna comb my brows down the way I would normally wear my brows. It has a beautiful consistency. Like the formulation on my brows, like I'm looking in the mirror, I'm looking in the monitor, and it looks really nice. Like very good. So yeah, she's kind of living for it, kind of love it. Let's go in, dunk our brush into a little bit more, and then I'll go in and do my other side. So right now I'm just combing these hairs up. Okay, that is working. That's crazy. Okay, clearly they stand up. That's nuts. Like, this is really, really awesome. Okay, so let me go in, let me smooth those out. Wow, this is actually really, really amazing. Okay, I've smoothed out my brow hairs, natural side, finished side. Loving this product, living for this product. Like, this is amazing. I'm so glad that I picked this up, because at first I was like, oh, another new brow product. Do I need that in my life? But I trust her. I trust Anastasia Beverly Hills. I trust the brand. I love the product. So I thought I'll pick it up. This is gorgeous. Like, hands down, drop the mic. Fantastic. Loving it. It's amazing. And all I did was put it on the back of a little spoolie right here. And wow. Like, wow. This is really amazing. Loving this product. Okay guys, let's talk about the application. Let's talk about the wear. Let's talk about, you know, everything. I like this product. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think it's really, really pretty. It goes on, like, it just goes on naturally. There's a natural look to it. It's not hard and crusty. It's, if I'm tapping on my brow like this, it's not crusty. It's like pliable still, but it's snatched. Like, you don't need to worry about if you go out in the wind that you're gonna move around. Like, it's done, you know, like, she's good. So this is really, really nice. This side here where I've got no brow products on, it's just my natural brow. Same thing. She's snatched, it's not crunchy, it's just really, really nice. Liking it a lot. Now, I haven't had it on for, like, obviously, you know, an 18-hour workday, because I'm not gonna walk around with only brow product applied to one eye. So I've had it on for about 20 minutes. So I'm giving you guys my honest feedback given the time that I've actually had the product on my brows. So I'm gonna actually give this one probably an 8 out of 10 for wear, because she likes it. Definitely, I like it, hands down, but I would want to give it a little bit more time in the future. So I will update you guys on the score at some point in the future. I just need a little bit more time with the product. Let's talk about how it applied. I just dipped my spoolie into the product, and I was actually thinking about it afterwards. Like, if you have this Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, there's a spoolie on the other side. So you could actually dip that into the product as well after you're done using the pigment side right here to draw your brows in. So this would actually come in really handy with this if you guys were going to use them together. Or definitely, if you don't have one of those, any little spoolie that you have, if you don't actually have one of these but you have an old mascara, before you throw out your mascara, I always tell people, clean the wand, just run some water on it, clean it, throw it in a drawer. You know, you might need it, you know, at some other point, who knows. It's always a good thing to have. Definitely keep those mascara wands on hand. Tip and trick. Okay, so this I think is a great little tool to apply this product. If you guys want more definition, go in with a liner brush. I think that would also work really, really good with this product, but definitely this little spoolie, hands down, worked so well. Love that. So for application, I'm gonna give it 9 out of 10 because the ease of application was flawless. Okay, clearly, no pun intended, the product is clear, which I love. So I think that it will work with all skin tones, all skin types, all brow, hair, shades, colors, you know, pigments, you name it, it's gonna work. So I think that is amazing that they made it clear and not colored. Love that. I think that's fantastic. There's absolutely no scent to it at all. Like, it's scent free. Love that. You guys know me, you know I love a scent free product, so this is perfect for me. So I love that. So for pigmentation, scent, 10 out of 10. Like, fantastic. Love it. The only thing that is really bothering me about this product is going to be that there's only a 6-month shelf life, which isn't terrible. If you look at comparable products on the market, you have this one right here, the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. This one has a shelf life of 12 months. So this guy is basically already on a little spoolie. It's clear. You just like, you know, fluff that into your brows, comb it through, and you're good to go. This is about $28 Canadian approximately, and this one is about 33, I believe, Canadian. So 12 months for like a few dollars cheaper versus, you know, 6 months less use for a couple dollars more. I do like this one probably a little bit more than I like this one, if I'm being honest with you guys. But that being said, okay, we have here the Fenty Beauty MVP Brow Wax Pencil and Styler. This one is kind of crusty because she uses it. I love this product, hands down. I think it's amazing. Also comparable in price, just a couple of dollars cheaper than this one right here from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's also wax pretty much, and you just flick it into your brows. It's easy to hold on to. You don't need, you know, to be holding two things like the spoolie and the jar. So I like that. You have your little brush on the end of it, when this one obviously doesn't come with anything. So for value for the Anastasia Beverly Hills, for this one right here, I do love this product and I'm not knocking on it. I actually think it's really fantastic. The 6-month shelf life is really kind of, you know, a bummer, but I love this product, so I'm gonna give it probably a 7 out of 10 because I really do love this product. Okay, so this brings us to a final score, 34 out of 40. I really love this product. I really love this product. I think it's amazing. I would actually take this product over this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel any day of the week. I really love this product. I think it's fantastic. I think it looks really amazing. It looks natural, but it's, you know, you're snatched, like you're good to go. So I love this product. I really would recommend it. Remember guys, if you love videos like this, remember to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and live plus. Bye guys.